Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and appliances. Today, we're diving into one of the best heat pumps for houses available in the market, the Newair Electric Garage Heater. Let's get started. Hey everyone, today we're talking about the Newair Electric Garage Heater. And let me tell you, it's a game changer for anyone looking to keep their garage, workshop, or any other space warm and cozy during those chilly months. This heater packs a punch with its 5,000 watts of heating power, making it capable of warming up to 500 square feet of space. That's perfect for larger areas like garages, workshops, warehouses, and even job sites. One of the standout features of the Newair Electric Garage Heater is its rugged exterior built to last. Made from heavy-duty materials, this heater can withstand tough climates and work conditions, ensuring it's a long-term investment for your space. Safety is always a top priority, and this heater doesn't disappoint. It's ETL certified for electrical safety and comes with overheating protection, giving you peace of mind knowing you have one of the safest heaters on the market. Installation is a breeze with the Newair Electric Garage Heater. It's hardwired to your 30-amp breaker, eliminating the maintenance issues associated with propane heaters. Plus, it comes with mounting hardware, allowing you to easily place it on the wall or ceiling of your workspace. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the performance and reliability of the Newair Electric Garage Heater. With over 3,600 ratings and an average of 4.1 stars, it's clear that this heater is a crowd favorite. So there you have it, folks, the Newair Electric Garage Heater. With its powerful heating capabilities, durable construction, and safety features, it's truly the best heat pump for houses and large spaces alike. Stay warm and cozy all year round with the Newair Electric Garage Heater. If you're ready to upgrade your heating solution, be sure to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the Newair Electric Garage Heater today. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching.